We should probably also mention the good parts of IGF-1. You know, IGF-1 plays an important role in muscle growth, muscle repair, and also it crosses the blood-brain barrier and plays an important role along with brain-derived neurotrophic factor for growing new brain cells.
Yeah, this is why I was saying the fasting and refeeding, right? So during the fasting, the IGF-1 goes down, and so does TOR, and that does everything else. But during the refeeding, IGF-1 goes up, and IGF-1 is the driver of all this regeneration, and most likely, I mean, we haven't looked at it in depth, but other people have. And so almost in a lot of regenerative process, you see IGF-1 being involved. And this is why I was saying that calorie restriction will have this chronic effect on lowering the factors, but never has the part B, which is after you lower it, you have to rebuild it, and that's why.
That makes sense.
And that's why I think it may be only half of the solution.
Yeah.